Sir, it's my voice now. Sir Congressman, since Ocean Park is violating, oh there you go. Since Ocean Park is violating, as said in the previous documentary before the Cove, since the Ocean Park is violating clear statements in the Constitution, are there any legal action being taken other than the resolution that you are trying to push?
Trixie has a long record with the legal cases filed against
Right. Yeah, we filed a case against Ocean Adventure in 2001 for the violation of the Animal Welfare Act. It's just a simple case. We just told them, okay, you didn't register, you opened your facility, so that's a violation and it's a criminal offense. We've been on and off with the case, but the final resolution, and it's very sad for this country, that's why you guys have to probably also improve our judicial system, was that our case was really very clean, open and shut, clear. Anybody who's 5 years old can understand it, but the way the paid lawyers of Ocean Adventure got out of that is that they argued that dolphins are not animals under the Animal Welfare Act. So technically they did not violate the Animal Welfare Act because dolphins are not animals that were being defined under the Animal Welfare Act. There was some, we would win in some venues and it will get reversed, and we will appeal at the Court of Appeals and it will get reversed. Money works in this country, and it's pretty evident with the decision that we got with that you know, they got away with winning this particular case against them because the judges were convinced that dolphins are not animals. And that's very sad for the judicial system in this country. So that's the reason also politics and corruption in our judiciary is also a reason why they are still existing as of now.
Aside from the House resolution, we're thinking of amending the Animal Welfare Act. In fact, there is a bill filed already, but we have to study more amendments in order to protect dolphins, in order to stop Ocean Adventure from capturing more dolphins.
One last question. It's about mercury poisoning. It was a question earlier, but it wasn't clearly explained to me, Daniel. Clearly that, as Sir Rico Barry said, that mercury poisoning is evident not just in Japan or the Philippines, but it's an entire world problem. So, is there a way of maybe controlling the mercury poisoning in the import of our fish products?
The short answer is no. We've contaminated the oceans, we've contaminated the fish and the dolphins and the whales, and it's getting worse. There's a new coal-fired plant going online every week in China. We all live downstream. So it's a huge looming problem that nobody talks about, most people don't know about. I don't know what the solution is other than switching to wind power, solar power, alternatives to using coal. Burning coal pollutes the environment.
Speaking of coal